Look at those gloves.
Let's drag it out. Love is love, okay? I can beat something.
Yes.
Give me major drama.
Yeah.
Got it, Mama. 1, 2, 3.
People have always said that I reinvent myself all the time, change my identity, my looks. I thought back to that conversation that I had with Martha Graham. I decided to call my record Madam X.
I wasn't lost.
Madam X is a secret agent. I am Madam X. Traveling around the world, changing identities, fighting for freedom, bringing light to dark places. Madam X is a dancer, a professor, a head of state, a housekeeper, an equestrian, a prisoner, a student, a mother, a child, a teacher, a nun, a singer, a saint, a whore, and a spy in the house of love. I'm Madam X. I'm Madam X.
What are you looking at?
to change my name? Will it get me far? Should I lose some weight? Am I gonna be a star?
Alright, we go!
I tried to be a boy, I tried to be a girl, boy, I tried to be a mess, I tried to be the best. I guess I did it wrong, that's why I wrote this song. This type of modern life, is it for me? This type of modern life, is it for free? So I went into a bar, looking for sympathy, a little company. I tried to find a friend. It's more easily said, it's always been the same. This type of modern life isn't for me. This type of modern life isn't for free. American life, I live the American dream. You are the best thing I've seen. You are not just a dream. I tried to stay ahead, I tried to stay on top, I tried to play the part, but somehow I forgot just what I did it for, and why I wanted more. This type of modern life isn't for me. This type of modern life isn't for free. Do I have to change my name? Will it get me far? Should I lose some weight? Am I gonna be a star? American life, I live the American dream. You are the best thing I've seen. You are not just a dream. To change my name, will it get me far? Should I lose some weight? Am I gonna be a star? Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm drinking a latte, I get a double shot it. It goes in through my body and you know I'm satisfied. I drop my Mini Cooper and I'm feeling super sticky. You may tell me I'm a trooper and you know I'm satisfied. I do yoga and Pilates and the room is full of hotties, so I'm checking out the bodies and you know I'm satisfied. I'm digging on the isotopes, it's better physics, shit is dope, and it always can give me hope. You know I'm satisfied. I got a lawyer and a manager, an agent and a chef, 3 nannies and an assistant and a driver and a jet, a trainer and a butler and a bodyguard of 5, a gunner and a stylist. Do you think I'm satisfied? I'd like to express my extreme point of view. I'm not a Christian and I'm not a Jew. I'm just living out the American dream, and I just realized that nothing is what it seems.
Do I have to change my name? Am I gonna be a star? Do I have to change my name? Am I gonna be a star?
Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm Madonna.
Thank you, New York City! Thank you. I have a few things I'd like to say. Just ready for a beverage. Just a little beverage. It's very windy tonight. It's weird. I know we're in a pier, and this pier has a lot of history. God knows it has a lot of history. Do you feel like you're all crammed into a parking lot right now? I feel you. So, 50 years, people. Come on, we're here to celebrate. 50 years of revolution. 50 years of freedom fighting. 50 years of putting up with discrimination, hatred, and indifference. 50 years of blood, sweat, and tears. 50 years of not bowing down to fear. Okay? That's what I'm talking about. And we have been on this journey together, and I am so proud and honored to share this historical evening with you. 50 fucking years. It's insane. It's insane. Are you with me? Are you happy? Are you proud? So am I. You can't imagine. It's like I've been waiting my whole life for this moment. Seriously. You really don't know. You really don't know. But since I came to New York as a wee little girl, I have always been embraced by Queer Nation. And I always felt like an outsider, but you made me feel like an insider, like a somebody, like I was important, and like it was okay to be different. So you must know how much I love and appreciate everyone here tonight, all members of the LGBTQ community. Thank you from the bottom of my high heels that are killing me. Thank you. So, now, this is the important part. Okay, we don't have a quick change, right? We haven't had time for that. So, I know my shoes are major, and everybody loves a heel, but I'm gonna take my heels off. Do you mind? Yeah, where's my leather daddy? I have a leather daddy coming. Tony, where are you? Tony, baby, take my shoe off. This is my leather daddy, Tony. I'll give you his number later. Now, you've seen me simulating masturbation all around the world, so I don't see why you'd have a problem with me changing my shoes, right? Plus, here's the important thing. I am a freedom fighter, Madame X is. Yes, she is. You read that manifesto. Thank you, Leather Daddy. So Donatella Versace was kind enough to make me these wonderful Pride 50th combat boots. Hell fucking yeah! And they are so fun to dance in. Don't I need two? Yep, I need two eyes also to see. When I started wearing this patch, I did not factor in the fact that I would have no peripheral vision on the left side. So, but I've learned to cope with my shortcomings. Haven't we all? Okay, are you ready to get on with the show? I said, are you ready to get on with the show? I don't have a leather daddy to carry my chair. See?
Perfect, Anna. Yeah. Resting my shoulder.
So, now I want to talk about something important. Another thing that means a lot to me is the support you've given me for the themes and subject matter that are on my new record, Madame X. More importantly, and most importantly, because I think it is the most important, it is the biggest problem in America, and that is gun safety and gun control. Which is disproportionately affecting our marginalized communities. So can we please get together and do something about gun safety, people, gun control? Disco God help us.
Everybody
restless when we wake up. What can we do? Get the kids ready, take them to school. Everybody knows they don't have a chance to get a decent job, to have a normal life. When they talk reforms, it makes me laugh. They pretend to help, it makes me laugh. I think I understand why people get out of gun. I think I understand why we all give up. Every day they have a kind of victory, love in our sins, but everywhere they say that we need love, but we need more than this.
This is your wake-up call. Unlike your nightmare, I'm here to start your day.
This is your wake-up call. We don't have to fall under democracy. Got it pornography. Under democracy. People think that I'm insane. The only thought is in my brain. Each new birth that gives me hope. That's why I don't smoke that dope. Insane people think I am brain inside my only friend. Hope it gives me birth each year. That dope I don't smoke is true. Everybody knows the damn truth. Everybody knows the damn truth. It's a weird kind of energy, a bizarre thing that happens to be an abnormal fraternity, and I feel more than sympathy. We need to wake up, 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 wake up. We need to wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. People think that I'm insane. The only fun is in my brain. Each new birth it gives me hope. That's why I don't smoke that dope. Insane people think I am brain inside my only friend. Hope it gives me birth each year. That dope I don't smoke, it's true. Everybody knows the damn truth. Everybody knows the damn truth. We need to wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. run from a gun. River of tears ran dry, let them run. No game that you can play to me, I ain't one. Cause I'm going through it, yeah, I know you see the tragic in it. Just hold on to the little bit of magic in it. I can't break down now. I can't take that now. Died 1,000 times, managed to survive. I can't take that now. I can't take that. I rise. Come on, let me hear you sing. I rise. I rise. Up above it, up above it. I rise. I rise. I rise. Up above it all. Freedom's what you choose to do with what's been done to you. No one can hurt you now unless you want them to. No one can hurt you now unless you love them to. Unless you love them to. I'm going through it, yeah, I know you see the tragic in it. Just hold on to the little bit of magic in it. I can't break down now. I can't take that. I can't take that.
Yes, Pride 50th anniversary, people! Power to the people! All people! You guys, I wish it could go on. I wish I had more time. I wish I rehearsed more songs. It doesn't matter though. I feel your love. I hope you feel ours. Yes?